Let's make some delicious Pain Perdu. First, we cut our French baguette into 1.5 inch slices, then place in a sheet pan and into a 250-degree oven for 10 to 15 minutes to dry out. Moving on to our custard. In a mixing bowl, add milk, heavy cream, eggs, orange extract, vanilla extract, powdered sugar, zest from 1 orange, and fresh vanilla beans. As always, the exact ingredient amounts can be found in the description. Mix until well incorporated. Now let's remove our bread from the oven. We're looking for a firm crunch on the bread. Now soak the dry bread in the orange vanilla custard. Pouring the custard always allows for a better soak. Next, store bread in the refrigerator for a minimum of 2 hours, but overnight for best results. Moving on to our blueberry compote. In a pan, add blueberries, a splash of water, sugar, lemon peel, and lemon juice and cook down on medium-low heat. We're looking for a thick yet pourable consistency. Next up, whipped cream. In a bowl, add heavy cream, powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and fresh vanilla beans. Whip until stiff peaks. Let's remove the Pain Perdu from the refrigerator. In a pan over medium heat, add butter and a splash of neutral oil. Once pan heats up, place Pain Perdu down, making sure not to crowd the pan. Now let's cook both sides until beautifully golden brown. Next, we'll place the golden brown Pain Perdu on a sheet pan and into a 270-degree oven for 8 to 10 minutes. This is what we're looking for, a golden outside and a rich custardy inside. Now all we have left to do is plate and enjoy our Pain Perdu, starting with blueberry compote, fresh blueberries, and homemade vanilla bean whipped cream.